supplying power across Uganda. And today signifies a big switch that we load on the 1st of April 2025. Members viewing and listening, allow me to brief you what we've done so far and how is our journey moving. This journey started with mainly 4 elements of control that we emphasize on as our perspective to manage the transition and settle the company in as UEDCL. One was talent management. The second area of concern was financial sustainability of the institution. The third one, customer service excellence and providing the service that we are supposed to provide. And the fourth perspective was on network availability. How have we done so far on talent management? Because of the requirement of the concession agreement, it was a requirement that at the transfer date, the employees of UMEME will be given an opportunity to join UEDCL. So, as we speak, we have fully integrated all the staff that qualified to roll. And as per our structure, it is now populated up to 96%, an equivalent of 2,601 employees. The 4% based on the structure that's not yet filled, the process are underway to fill them externally, and the adverts went out on the 16th and 19th of June. The recruitment process is ongoing. The second area of talent management lies with integrating the new teams that we've set up to manage the culture and also take members through of the activities. So far across the country, in our 100 offices, the activities for culture change and alignment in line with the strategic objectives are ongoing, but at the same time, the staffs are providing the service. In addition to that, we have another task to implement all the pending connections that we found which were due for connection. By the time we took over, there were pending connections totaling to 127,000 customers. We've deployed materials across the country, and we've subcontracted special teams whom we call new connection technicians. So far on the ground, we have an additional 550 employees, but because of the task of connecting customers as much as possible, our analysis has also worked out an extra requirement to add more 400 employees by end of July. So in total, our structure, the total number of employees to manage the affair of the distribution sector, plus also having to fulfill the special projects of new connection for the World Bank ESP project and here in the backlog, will attract a total of 3,600 plus employees. The second area of our focus since we took over is the financial sustainability. Members of the media allow me to update you that we manage it to have stability of the vending and billing system. Our customers have never realized or experience any material issue. And because of the network availability, connectivity to banks, and our effort even to collect the postpaid customers, year to date, cash collection is at 104%. That's very good progress for the government institution and the distributor in general. Because of that, we are observing and creating a healthy energy sector. We need to appreciate that the distributor is the converter of electricity to cash that manage the sector, and we manage the sector through paying our bills. The major bill that we are supposed to pay to enhance electrons flowing is the transmission bill.